everyone so excited about your fashion show debut, Sharie? But Lola, they said, a sloth on the runway? That's crazy. You know what I told them. Fashion is about taking chances. Places people look alive.
I'm nervous.
Hey, want to hear a trick I learned? Pretend everybody in the crowd is naked. Then you won't feel nervous or self-conscious.
But, Cam, you're naked.
See? It's working already.
Here goes nothing.
Ladies and gentle squishes, modeling the hottest fall fashions from Lola's boutique, please give it up for Sharie!
What's happening? Why is she going so slowly? Is time even moving?
She's a sloth, Lola. And you know what they say, sloth's gonna sloth.
Literally no one says that, Cameron. Sharie, doing great, girlfriend. One note, maybe speed it up just a teensy bit. What am I gonna do, Cam? At this rate, it'll take days for Sharie to model my whole fashion line.
Sounds like you need a plan C. Plan C? C for Cameron, me! I'll model your clothes.
I don't suppose you have a plan D. Okay, fine. You're up.
Yes! You may regret this. You know, a very wise Squishmallow once told me fashion is all about taking chances.
That was me, Cam.
Good morning, Lola.
Hey, Winston. Got anything Lola-licious today?
Not sure what that means, but I did just finish frosting my new spicy mango cupcakes. Wanna try one?
I'm not so sure I like spicy stuff.
First one's on the house.
I love it. You're the bestest baker in all of Squishville. You have to come on my baking show. I bet you could win.
What? You really think so?
Welcome back to Lola-licious. I'm your host, Lola. We're down to our final 3 competitors, Fifi, Cameron, and Winston. But it's up to our judge, Noah, to seal the deal. I don't get it. So, Mr. Noah Boa, who is the champion baker?
What did she say? You know what she said?
Winston is the winner! You did it, Winston! I knew you could, because you are a baker, unlike any I've ever seen. And it's truly unlikely that this is a dream. This is a dream. This is a dream.
Winston. Well, that was embarrassing.
Let's never speak of this day again. There you go. It's perfect.
What did I tell you, Fifi? Best designer in all of Squishville. Lola styled me, and I've never felt more beautiful.
Is there anyone you can't work your magic on, Lola? We're about to find out. Welcome to Lola's Boutique, where Squishmallows and cute looks meet. Now to the mirror, where the magic happens. My friend, I think I know just the outfit for you. Ready for your glow up? I'm all out of ideas. I need help.
Anyone hungry for tiny pies?
Pies! So tiny.
Whoa, take it easy. There's enough tiny pies for everyone. Oh, maybe I should have made them bigger. I don't know. That's my chef's hat. Guys.
Squishes and squishes! May I present to you Archie's new look?
You know what? It looks good on you. Keep it.
Now, go show all of Squishville who you really are. Fancy Beret Archie.
I will miss that hat.
It smelled funny.
Yes, it did, Lola. Yes, it.
Kite flying day, so many kites that I can't look away.
Kite flying day, yes, it's kite flying day. Big kites and small ones and long kites and tall ones.
Blue ones and white ones and short ones and slight ones.
Kites to excite and delight and surprise us.
If your kite is the best, you will win lots of prizes.
Wait! Are there multiple prizes per category?
Technically, no. Just one prize in each category, but a lot of prizes overall.
One each for best looking kite, highest flying kite, and biggest kite. Is that right?
But 3 is hardly a lot. Do you get what we're saying? Okay. Well, I have to get back to judging now.
Leonard is always in such a hurry.
Let's go look at some more kites.
Kite flying day, so many kites that we can't look away.
James, I'm prepared to give you today's award for biggest kite.
Wait, Cameron's coming with the biggest kite you've ever seen!
Oh, that is an unusually large kite, Cameron. But can it fly?
Fly?
Tell you what, I'll give you a few minutes to figure it out. If you get this baby sailing, give me a buzz.
Leonard! I'm flying the kite! Well, actually, it's flying me, but that still counts, right?
Anyone seen Cameron? It's not like him to miss an award ceremony.
3 is a few prizes, not a lot.
A modest collection at best.
I wonder where Cameron went.
Oh, well. We'll get him next year, giant kite.
Help us, Agent 00 Squish! The evil villain is blocking the road and holding the only cure to save every Squishmallow in Squishville!
Guess I'll have to save the...
I'm sorry, what's my line again?
And cut! Cameron! Where is that script cat?
Winston, your line is, guess I'll have to save the day. Then we cut, print, and finish in time for the Squishville Film Festival tonight.
And to celebrate afterwards, we can play cornhole.
Lola, whatever you've got going on there works. And Fifi, try not to stare at the camera. But great evil laugh. Seriously, chills. Let's go again. High energy, everyone. And action.
Oh, help us, Agent 00 Squish! The evil villain is blocking the road and holding the only cure to save every Squishmallow in Squishville.
And cut. Where's my leading squish?
Sorry, indisposed.
That means he's in the cornhole game.
Yeah, I'll probably need a few minutes here. And some oil. Maybe butter. I'm stuck pretty good.
This is a disaster. I'll never finish in time for the festival.
What are you gonna do? Every Squishmallow in Squishville's looking forward to your movie.
I'm gonna save the day.
But how?
I'm gonna squish us out of this.
You put a smile on my face and I can't help but laugh out loud. You make me feel so elated. You're the BFF I've ever found. Yeah! When you fall down, I will pick you up, just like I know that you would do for me. When we get together, it feels like winning, 'cause you make me so happy. It's a good time. It's a good time, yeah. It's a good time. We're having a good time. Whoa. You're always there to cheer us on. You know just what to do when everything goes wrong. You love to sing, you love to play. You're such a good friend every single day. It's a good time. It's a good time, yeah. It's a good time. We're having a good time. Whoa. You're so squishy, you're the best. You are nice just like the rest. Nice to know that you're around the woohoo guys, the best in town. Love you, man. It's a good time. It's a good time, yeah. It's a good time. Yes, it is. We're having a good time. Whoa. You're so squishy, you're the best. You are nice just like the rest. You're so squishy, you're so sweet. You'll always be a friend to me.
Well, this is a fun birthday surprise. Cammy, have you been baking?
Frosting.
Cameron!
Hey, Fifi, you're home early. I know, this looks bad, but I made you birthday cupcakes. I mean, I tried to, but then I ate a bunch of frosting and it made me really sleepy, and then I ran out of frosting, and now here we are.
Cam, if you really want to give me a birthday surprise, you can clean up after yourself.
You bet! And I will be right with you after a very quick cat nap. Can you set the cycle to sleep?
Is that a no?
Fifi, what's wrong?
I appreciate that you tried to bake me cupcakes, but I've spent half my birthday cleaning up after you.
Well, I know. I so feel bad about that. And I think I should feel even worse, but I can't remember why.
Jean, the clean machine is on the scene.
Oh, that's why. I hired Jean to clean the house as your birthday present.
No clean machine?
I'm sorry, Fifi.
That's okay, Cam. I know you were trying to make my birthday better. Luckily, I had a backup plan. A strawberry birthday cake, just in case all this happened.
My favorite!
Jeanna's back on the scene to clean.